Hi everyone, I am Giando. In step 6, let's create the hood and the front bumper volume. Set the view cube to the top, and select the bottom edge of the windshield. Press Alt and extrude a face. Then, use the up/down scale to taper like this. Also use the scale in the left and right direction, to adjust the edge of the hood tip. Change to the front view and lower the height of the edges to fit the template. Scale to adjust the horizontal length. Double-click this edge, and select Unweld Edges from the toolbar. When OK, the front window and the hood will be separated into separate objects. Look at the edge display. It appears thicker than the other edges. This is the display of separate objects. Let's hide the cabin. Then split the faces of the hood according to the template. Double-click this edge and right-click the mouse, select Insert Edge. Then we insert edges according to the template like this. Repeat the same work. Change the view to the side, when you have finished inserting all the edges. Next, move the edges up and down in this way to fit the side view template. At this time, it is important to move only in the vertical direction in the side view, so that the position of the aligned edge in the top view does not change. Next, create the volume of the bumper. Double-click of the front edge, and press Alt to extrude the face. We will release Alt once here. If you press Alt again and extrude the face, the segment will be cut like this. Use the same procedure again to extrude the faces. Then select this edge and extrude it horizontally. Cut the segment once under the lamp. Change to the top view and adjust the position. Extrude the face to the bumper side in the same way. Switch to the front view. Double-click the bottom edge to scale horizontally, to match the trend of the bumper side. Adjust the middle edges in the same way. If you want to make small adjustments, it is convenient to control with numerical input like this. Change to side view and adjust the cross-section. Select Bridge from the toolbar to connect the bumper to the fender. At this time, the number of faces in the option menu is changed to 1. Bridge the other two sides in the same way. Connect the bumper and the fender surface in this way. Weld the vertex by moving the edges closer together. Display template to adjust edge configuration at insert point. Create a new edge on the face like this at the insertion point, and then delete the unwanted part. If you move and adjust the vertex freely, the inclination of the surface changes and the regularity is broken, and beauty highlights cannot be maintained. You can maintain them by inserting new edges on faces and modifying them. This is an important point for expressing the highlights of a beautiful body. Adjust each point according to the template. Thank you for watching this channel. Next, it's time to make a fender from a headlamp. Don't forget to like the video.